Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you and teach you step by step how you can add a start date for your items and projects on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So navigate to workspace here to the left, select your board, and after that select one of these views at the top, like for example a table view, and below you see a list of your items and projects in the given board. So what you want to do next, guys, is add a new status column. Usually the due date column will be added automatically or on default. So if you'd like to add also start date, click into that plus button, add column, select date, and customize this column next. What you want to do is double click into the column name and rename it to start date here. And after that, simply click into the given project cell here and select the start date. So let us go with December 17th for that project. Then we go with the next one, start date, let's say New Year's Eve, and another one, Christmas Eve, and so on and so forth. You can remove the start date if you like. You may also move the column here next to the due date column so that they are next to each other. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.